Solve the following equations and check your results. We have solved previous 1 and 2 questions. Now we are going to solve question number 3, which is 5 times x plus 9 equals 5 plus 3x. Solution goes like this. First of all, we write the question as it is. So the question as it is. Now, when we look at the problem, we have variables on both sides. We are going to shift them towards either side, and in this case, we are going to shift them towards left hand side. So 5x as it is, 3x is of positives. When we will transpose it towards left hand side, it will become minus. So we wrote minus 3x equals 5 as it is. And now we have to transpose this constant positive 9 towards right hand side. It becomes minus 9. Now it is just a matter to solve this equation. 5x minus 3x, it is simple. It is 2x because we have same variable. Equals as it is, 5 minus 9 equals minus 4. Whenever we have positive and minus, we subtract it and sign comes of greater number, therefore minus scheme. Cancelling opportunity, 1 2 is a 2, 2 2 is a 4, because we have told you several times in this chapter of class 8th that you can straight away cancel in numerator parts whenever you are dealing with equation. That is, you can cancel left hand side with right hand side in numerator part separately and in denominator part separately. Now x is separated, its value came as minus 2. Obviously the question was asking to check your results as we did in previous 2 questions, so we will do the same. First of all, we will write the given equation as it is, so we wrote the same, and now it is just a matter to plug the value of x in the given equation. So 5 times minus 2, because we are plugging the value of x that we have found as minus 2 in bracket so that we don't get puzzled, plus 9 as it is equals to 5 as it is plus as it is 3 as it is multiplied with, this is sign of multiplication, the value of x is minus 2, so we wrote the same in brackets again so that we don't get puzzled. We solve it. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 because 5 2 is 10 and plus minus is minus whenever we are performing multiplication. Plus 9 as it is equal to 5 as it is plus as it is in bracket again so that we don't get puzzled. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. The same rule as we did here. Different signs, we are going to subtract it and sign will come of greater number. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and sign comes of greater number, that is minus in this case. Here when you open the bracket in your mind, plus minus is minus, we have learned in previous standard. And again, different sign, here nothing written before 5 means it is of positive. So positive 5 minus 6, they are going to subtract and sign come of greater number. So minus 1. Indeed, left hand side equals right hand side. Therefore, our solution that we have found as x equals to minus 2 is correct. That proves our answer, that it is correct. That completes question number 3. Using same method, we are going to solve question number 4, which is 4 times z plus 3 equals 6 plus 2z. First of all, as we usually do, we will write the given question or the given equation in this case. So we wrote the same and we are going to separate the variables on either side. Again, we are going to separate the variables on left hand side. So 4z as it is, here we have 2z that is positive. On right hand side, we are going to transpose it towards left hand side. So positive will become minus. So we wrote minus 2z equals 6 as it is. Here we have constant positive 3 on left hand side. When we will transpose it towards right hand side, it will become minus. Therefore, we wrote minus 3. Now we are going to solve this equation. 4z minus 2z. We have same variables and we are going to subtract the coefficient. So 4 minus 2 is 2z. Here 6 minus 3 is simple 3. Now we have 2 on left hand side. In order to make z separated, we have to transpose this 2 towards right hand side. Here it is getting multiplied with z. Here it will get divided out. That is simple transposing rule that we have learned in this standard. So z equals 3 upon 2 or 3 divided with 2. That is our solution because z is separated and we have to check whether our solution is correct. And that will be possible if our left hand side will come equal to right hand side when we will check it. So we wrote the checking part and writing the given equation as it is, and now we are going to plug the value of z equals to 3 by 2 wherever we see z in our equation. So 4 multiplied with z, in place of z we will write 3 over 2, so we wrote the same in brackets so that we don't get puzzled, plus 3 equal to 6 as it is, plus as it is Now in again brackets so that we don't get puzzled. Here 2 is getting multiplied with z and value of z came as 3 over 2. So we wrote 3 over 2. We are going to solve this equation. 1 2 is a 2, 2 2 is a 4. Here 2 2 gets cancelled out. So 3 2 is a 6. We do in our mind. 6 plus 3 is 9. So we wrote 9 equal to as it is. And here we are left with 3 only and 3 plus 6 is 9. Indeed, again, left hand side equal right hand side. This proves that our value of z equals 3 by 2 that we have found by solving this equation is correct. In this way, we solve our question number 4th